This will be the elevators of the Cloister building, or the Waldorf Astoria in Boca Raton, Florida. This is a nice call station. It's mad. Ooh, concave buttons. I like that indicator, not the indicator, that lantern. Hello there. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, look at that. That is a nice view. Whoa, you can see it all the way up. You can see the motor room. That's pretty cool. All right. Ooh, I like this COP. What's the indicator? Acme indicator, 400A. Obviously, these are traction. They're very smooth. You can't really feel you're moving. Besides, when it accelerates, you can't feel it moving. That was quick. Let's ring it for down. Hello again. Oh, look, they got these indicators. I love that lantern. I really do. 6. Hi there. Oh, let's get a cab view. That's a nice floor. I like the wall too, and the ceiling. The whole elevator is pretty nice. Let's go to L and we'll watch it go down. No smoking. There's the emergency light and firefighters operation. All right. And you know what? Let's ring it for up once more. I really love that lantern. And that will be all.